Okay, now let's talk. I like this a lot better. All right. Now I can concentrate. I was losing my concentration because I was thinking to myself, how tall is he? All right. Trust me, I do that kind of thing. Okay, so, see? Oh, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a crash course 101 on how to work with this animal. And while we get it for you, are you right-handed or left-handed? Right-handed. Okay, I want you to take your right hand out. Okay, and now the most important thing about this is the finger control. Okay, can you go a little faster? Okay, now shake your hand like this. Got to get it all loosened up. Stop. Now go like this one time. Shake. One time. Stop. One time. Okay, now just keep shaking it loosened up while we get the instrument. A little nervous there? Okay, stop. This is your instrument. Okay, it's a pin. All you have to do is squeeze it one time like this. Hold on. A pig going through puberty. Oh my gosh. Okay. Try it again. Listen. It's the low sound. Okay? Only a little more energy. Now, quicker fingers, that's why you do it like practice. Very interesting. You're going to do that. You're not going to be able to hear the orchestra when you play. Now, the next thing you have to be able to do is follow a cue. And what I'll do is I'll cue you every time you have to play it. That's all you need to know. All right? So we'll practice one time. Go there. Face me. Instrument up. Good instrument carriage. Take a deep breath. You ready? A little bit bigger sound. Alright? So anytime I cue you ready? Okay. Yeah. You have to be ready, okay? So you get to see some of the other instruments. So you'll understand. I told you have to be ready. Keep that arm up. Okay? Alright. Good. Now, what we're going to do is, we're going to show you some of the others. It might be a little hard to see, so I'm going to point out the direction, but Ned is going to produce the cow sound, and he does it on his contrabass. Pretty cool, right? Would you like to hear it again? Yes. Alright, so there's your cow. And now also we're going to have in our farm a bird. Where are our percussion? There we go. Bird. Okay. We also will have a duck. Well, every farm has an old car around, so you can hear a car horn. And seems like every farmhouse has an old cuckoo clock, so you get to hear a cuckoo. Nice, Gary, I like that. Can you do that again? Seriously, that's the best cuckoo sound he's given us yet. I have to hear it again. Nice. Keep that arm up. I saw that arm going down. Anything else, Gary? Did we get them all? Alright, okay. Can we get a little lower sound, please? I didn't cue you. It's only when I cue you. Got it. Maybe it's because it's not amplified. Alright, let's try. You know what? His fingers are already tired. You should see him. He's going. Really? Let me see it. Did it die on us? Ah, you broke it. Okay, that's just great. We're going to hear a real squealing pig tonight. So, okay, now you're going to go over there, and you cannot take your eyes off of me. Keep your arm up, ready to go. It has to be a little higher. Good. Angle your wrist like this, and be ready. Do not take your eyes off, or you'll miss him. I'm Italian, I'm talking with my hands, and he thinks that's a cue. No, I'm just talking here, okay? That's a cue. Alright, I'm going to play it for you now. featuring Stuart on the pig. Okay? Hey, keep your eyes up here. Okay. Thank you. Doris reminded me, I forgot we also have a rooster. And John's going to demonstrate the rooster for us. Now, you may wonder how he's doing that. He's actually creating that sound with his vocal cords. Isn't he talented? Good job, John. Oops. Just keep you warmed up. Your arms dropping. Lift it up. All right. Angle the wrist. Angle the wrist. Up. There you go. That's the proper technique.